Hey guys, today we are going to use a plugin to redirect our contact form created with Contact Form 7 plugin to another page, or in this example, to a thank you page. Let's first create our thank you page and publish it so we can have it in the plugin options. We are going to use Redirection for Contact Form 7 plugin. The next step is to install and activate it to our Wordpress website. After installing the plugin, we are going to find Actions tab in our contact form settings, and inside that tab we can create a redirect action. Then click on the edit button on the action and choose a page where the submit button will redirect. Last thing to do is to test our contact form and see if it redirects us to a thank you page. That is how you create a thank you page for your contact form. By the way, a little bit more information about this free plugin. After clicking on the submit button, you also can fire JavaScript, save lead, send email, or use honeypot, that is an anti-bot security mechanism. And also there are many more options that can be used when you purchase the premium version. Thank you and please subscribe.